Hello, good day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to my channel. This is another episode of CapCut Pro series. So, in this particular episode, we're going to teach you guys how to use CapCut Pro for 100% free. So, you're going to use all the features in CapCut Pro, the AI features, and all that in CapCut Pro for 100% free without paying for it until you find out that okay, you have the money to pay to start enjoying it without trick. But the truth is that this method doesn't affect you or doesn't take anything from you. You're going to get the same quality that you're supposed to get from your video with this method. The only thing is that you don't decide the resolution of your video, but you're going to get a good quality to use. Remember, it's going to be free, right? All right. First of all, we are going to come and then save our project location. So you need to save your project location. So change this place, then go and locate any place you like to save as your project location, and then make this save. So when you save this, what is it going to do for you? It's going to help you locate your project faster. Okay, it's going to help you to locate your project faster. So you're going to save it in where you like, where it's going to be easy for you. So make sure you save this first one here, save to save it. Just choose a project location that you like and then save. If it's C drive, D drive, whatever or wherever you like. Then after I've done that, let's go to the, you can see the AI video maker. Let's click on it. Most time this will not open on your system, and then what you need to do is to turn on your VPN to continue. So when you turn on your VPN, you can continue using it. So I'm going to say just choose whatever I like. For example, all right, this is the AI. Let's go with this. So I'm looking for what will be okay. Let's remix this. So now you can see when you click the remix, you can actually remix. So you can decide to add whatever you like here and then click create. Remember, this AI feature is for pro user, okay? But here we are using it without pro. This is like, is it funny or excited? I don't know. So give me the right word at the comment section. The scripts have generated and now we are creating the voiceover. So you look at it here, we are creating the voiceover. After the voiceover, the AI is going to create the media. Voiceover. I believe by now every one of you know that using the CapCut, you need internet to use most of the features. So, okay, here, this is our video here. Let me play
My
it.
friends and I went on vacation to Hawaii, and this is what happened. We were
So, the video you're seeing here is our video. Look at the exports. Let's click exports. You can decide to mess with it, do other things with it, but we just want to do it fast. All right, click save. Okay. So after saving, click show folder. This is the video.
So my friends and I went on vacation to
Okay.
Hawaii, and this is what happened. We were staying in a hotel in Honolulu, and
How beautiful is this video? You can see it's very clean and polished. So now we have used one of the features. Have you? Don't play. So let's go. Let's close this. Now you can decide to make changes here. Eh? That video you can see. You can decide to make the changes. You can see. You can decide to change these images. You can decide to change it. See it. You can decide to change it. Hmm? See all the whole scene. You can see here. These are the scenes. You can make change of your voice. You can change the voice here. So let me align this scene well properly. So you can change your voice. You can use male or female. You can use the trendy voice. You can add background song. You can add the background song here. You can go to the elements, add whatever you like. Let's say, for example, this is for Pro. You can go ahead and add it. So we have already done. So let me just go to edit more so we can use it for other practice. It's taking a lot of time to go to the editing session. So what I'm going to do right now is to just click import. So I'll go to my download folder, then drag the video in. So I think this is the best option. So because sometimes it takes time to load. So since you already download the video, you just go and import the video and drag the video to your timeline to do any other changes.
check out the beach.
So here is the video. So let's say I know there's nothing to add on this video again, but I want just to show you guys the pro, as in more features. So what I just need to do now is to add effects. Let me look for effect to add. Uh, I want to add this effect, thunder effect.
So my friends and I went on vacation.
So let's say the
So my
entry.
friends
Let's
and
see.
I went on vacation to
All right.
Hawaii, and this is what happened. We were
That is effect for there. There's a part where the beach part. So let me add.
refreshing. Spent the days.
Let's add that there. Remember, all these things are also pro features. You can go and add music, pro feature. So let's go to music. So all this music are pro music. So let me just add. No, let me drag it to match the clip. Okay.
So my friends and I went on vacation to Hawaii, and this is what happened.
All right. Let's reduce the volume. It's too high.
We were staying in a hotel in Honolulu.
Okay. So now, remember, we cannot export anymore because of the pro feature. So we're going to do Control A to highlight everything. And we're going to click left click. And we're going to create, you see, create combine clip. So create compile clip. Now all our clip is in one place.
So my friends and
So you right click again. You do pre-process compile clip. So let's wait. Sit here. We are processing it. All right, you can see it here, processed, applied. So now you need to go. Remember, earliest in the earlier stage, I asked you to go to the setting and then change your service location. So this location that you have changed, that is where you are going to find this clip now. Yes, where you are going to find it. So for those of you that may not understand or forgot, just go and copy this part. Come like this and copy this part to search for it. Okay, so you just go there and copy the part. Now my own video now is 47474. So this is it here. Come to sources, compile. Through here you will not find it. You understand me? So copy your part and go and search for it. But me, I will not be copying my part. Just in my own case, I will just be going to the C drive. And C drive, I'll go to user, I'll go to my Dell, and then I'm going to app data. Locate my project. Then you go to sources. You can see the video here. So what will I do? Just copy it. Then take it to where I will easily access it. So this is it. So
so my
in your
friends
own
and I
case,
went on vacation.
remember, in your case, you have already saved the folder, and that is where you're going to get it. Please, did not go to that folder through the CapCut. Leave the CapCut, go to your file manager, and then go in and look for your folder. That is only where you get it, because a lot of you don't come down to watch video or follow a step. You keep on skipping, and end of the day, you say, this does not work for me. This method works for everybody that know how to use it. There's no excuse. So now you can start using CapCut feature. Just imagine this video. If you upload
Know
this kind
why,
of video
and
on your
this is what
TikTok,
happened.
don't you
We were
think that you're going to get more views? Upload it to your YouTube shorts, your Facebook shorts. You're going to get more views because the video is very clean and well detailed. So making use of something like this is an opportunity for you. So thank you for watching my video. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do wait to subscribe. And if you like this video, please smash the like button and also share the video to reach more people. Thank you for watching. See you in another video.